Hello everyone. Today I'll show you a very useful setting for your YouTube account, which you use to watch various videos. I'll tell you how to watch adult videos on YouTube. Because when you click on YouTube itself, the app itself, yes, you're presented with this feed with various videos. And you can, of course, use the search and find something useful. But if you have one of the YouTube specific settings enabled, you won't get the full range of search queries. That means you won't get all the videos that might be useful to you. And this, of course, is unfortunate, because you're not taking full advantage of YouTube. Now, of course, I'll tell you everything and show you. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. So, it's actually very simple. You need to double check one of the settings, which is most likely enabled in most cases. So, you actually need to turn it off, but don't rush. Watch the video carefully to the end, because many bloggers have already filmed on this topic, but they don't tell you until the very end. And, of course, making just one setting won't get you the result you need. Watch the video carefully in its entirety, don't miss any important moments, and you'll be very pleased that you'll be able to see absolutely every possible video, and you'll be using YouTube to its fullest. So, I'll show you the first setting, which is very important, so check carefully whether it's enabled or disabled. Go to the YouTube app itself. Next, we're interested in your account. It's usually in the bottom right. Click here. Next, we're interested in the gear icon, which is located at the top right. These are also settings. Click it. And then the general section. These are also settings. Click it. And now, among this entire list, you need to find safe mode. Videos that are not suitable for children will be hidden. 100% protection is not guaranteed. The settings apply to this app, on this device. This means you're being hidden from a huge number of useful videos intended for adults. These could be movies, blockbusters, action films, TV series, or absolutely any other content that contains specific scenes inappropriate for a certain age. Of course, there's tons of this kind of content on YouTube. For example, even if it's not a movie, someone says something offensive, and that's it, you'll no longer see that video in your search results. But it could have been very useful. So, of course, we'll turn this slider off, but don't rush. Of course, you need to complete at least 2 more steps for this to work properly. Otherwise, turning this slider off won't do anything. So, watch to the end, and you won't regret it. So, the second very important point, you must have at least some kind of account on YouTube, in the YouTube app itself, that is, your personal account that you use. Without an account, of course, you won't be able to do anything. If you do have an account, it must also match the account entered into your browser. For example, if you use Google Chrome, Yandex, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera, and so on, it doesn't matter, absolutely any browser, you could be signed into another account, and it could be different from your YouTube account. And by the way, if you use the Google Play Store, you could also have a completely different account there. This is important because the third setting will apply specifically to your account. If you configure an account in, say, Google Chrome or another browser, nothing will change here, meaning in YouTube itself. So double check which account you're currently signed into, that is, make sure it matches. Next, tap the YouTube app itself. Here, again, tap your avatar, your account. And here, tap the Google account. You'll be redirected to these settings. And specifically for this account, you must be over 18. Actually, you can change this manually. The first option is to go to your personal information, find your date of birth, and change it. And the second option is here. If you can't find it, it could also be in the data and privacy settings, personal information, and you can change it there as well. Only then will this setting work to its maximum potential and show you absolutely all content on YouTube.